Hey Dan, my experience coming into the program has been amazing. First and foremost, my confidence in myself is so much more. When I came into the program, I wasn't really sure what this was about, and I was kind of second guessing myself. A lot of the times I was doubting myself. And as the weeks progressed, I got so much better. I became a sponge on everything that I was understanding. All the content, all the training, and the knowledge that you've instilled in me, Dan, is absolutely out of this world. I thank you so much. I am so grateful for the time and effort and the entire program that you've created. It's been a journey. Now, before coming into the program, I worked in a car dealership the last year, and I wasn't dealing with people that I really wanted to deal with. And what I mean by that is, these people, I knew them for quite a while, about 7-8 years or so, and we went to the same church together, same community. But I realized that a year later, I was still in the same position. I did not move up with the company, and I was actually going down in terms of rank, in terms of self-worth. And I realized that there has to be something better. There must be something that's greater out there. And then I came across one of your great friends, Jason Capital's videos, and from there I got his book, and then I got into high status, started changing the way I spoke, tonality, things of that nature. And then I came across your webinar, and after that I was kind of hesitant on the button, pressing buy now, and then I was like, okay, fine, if this is the real deal, I'm gonna wait on it, give it a day. And I literally could not stop thinking about the webinar. I watched it, I watched everything of it, and I came back home and I was like, you know what, I'm ready. And I bought it, and I was so happy because I knew that this was the start of something amazing, the start of success and freedom. And this is what has allowed me to understand that part of myself. Now it really is about self-worth, that price is a myth, and not only that, but once you close yourself, you are able to close others around you. And that's really what this is about. And again, thank you so much for helping me understand that side of me, because I was skeptical. Don't get me wrong. I mean, I wasn't sure if the program would be beneficial, but then I started applying the skills, the thought process, the exercises, the assignments, and I absolutely loved every minute of it. Thank you so much, Dan. I can't wait to see you in Vancouver. I can't wait to see the whole team. And yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to be closing. I've already reached out to many different influencers, and I'm not giving up. I know that in order to have success, you have to fail for a certain amount of time, and I'm not giving up. I'm going to keep going. And as you said, as I read your story, it took you 13 businesses to get your first success. So whatever it takes, I'm here, I'm ready to do it. Whatever it takes. I am a high-ticket closer. Thank you so much, Dan. You are amazing. You're a brilliant man, and I can't wait to go on this journey with everyone in HTC. I am a high-ticket closer. Thank you so much.